Hi, I'm Lauren with Keystone Technologies. When it comes to finding solutions for your most demanding needs, the new XFit Washdown high bay fixture from Keystone gets the job done. Keystone's Washdown high bay fixture is the ideal HID fixture replacement for commercial, industrial, and food processing applications and provides light uniformity, leading to a comfortable and safe working environment. So what makes this LED washdown fixture ideal for these environments? The fixture has an IP69K rating, the highest IP rating available, which means it is designed to withstand frequent close-range high-pressure cleaning. Additionally, its smooth, round, and sleek design minimizes the chance of potential contaminants accumulating. This 150-watt fixture has a lumen output of 19,800 lumens. These features, combined with the fact that it carries ETL sanitation certification, makes this fixture the ideal solution for food processing facilities in addition to car washes. Keystone has been manufacturing power supplies since 1945, and this fixture is made with a dedicated Keystone driver with 4 kV surge protection. The fixture has a 90-degree beam angle and includes a 6-foot cord for input and dimming wires and ring bolt mounting accessory for flexibility when it comes to installation. Interested in seeing a significant energy savings as well as potential rebates? Request a sample today and see how the new XFit Washdown High Bay can handle your most demanding needs in your most challenging environments. I'm Lauren with Keystone Technologies, and that's Light Made Easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.